my question to both of you all is, how are you going to daddy this award this year? I mean, how are you going to, what do you guys have in store for IFA in New
Are we
York?
going to daddy this award? I've daddied you for 5 years. I think I can do a fair enough job. Saifu, how are you going to daddy this award?
It would be a very painful thing to pass.
Yeah.
Better to daddy than to mother, I think, you know.
Yeah, I suppose so.
It's a very jagged award. I think to pass it as a mother would be very painful. I'd rather father it. So yes, I think, no, listen, it's wonderful to be chosen and to be part of the hosting duo, because I think we all function also as ambassadors when we do it, from our national carrier to our movie stars to our hosts. So I'm really looking forward to hosting it with Karan, who is so witty and wonderfully intelligent and sparkling. And I hope I can keep up with him.
With you, always on stage, there's a certain amount of humor expected, always, because you're, like Saif said, you're extremely witty. And so what kind of humor are we expecting? Do you change your humor with the city? Because now I was with you at the Dream Tour in New York, and you were like really out there. I mean, Karan took us by surprise with his jokes. We didn't expect it. He spoke in 5, 6 different languages, which we didn't know he knew. And really excited the crowd. So for New York, do you have anything in store? Like anything you're going to speak in any language? That
No, not particularly for New York. But I think when you actually host, I think it's very important that you be just that, a host. You forget what you do.
But you do take over.
I mean, it's not about taking over. It's about actually the chemistry that...
He does.
Oh, that's good.
You
can say
again,
my
he'll be
lines
very
as
happy
well.
about that. I'll just be reading all the sponsor names out and Saif will be staring beautifully into space.
Yes,
This
that's
is
gonna
a
happen
lie.
at some
Karan
point.
Johar ji बहुत improvise करते हैं जब stage पे है, बहुत ज़्यादा improvise करते हैं और फिर कुछ काटना पड़ता है हमें, but this
नहीं
time
नहीं अभी तो
because it's
लाइव है
live.
लाइव है बिल्कुल नहीं काट सकते हम no but I think it's not about playing to New York or to London or the various wonderful locations IFA has hosted. It's actually just making sure that your script is audience friendly, because you're not only just connecting to the 40,000 people in the audience but to the 40 million people who will eventually watch it on television. So you have to connect to the viewer in every which way, and so your script and what you say, and I always tell people, like, of course Saif is a veteran, he's done so many events, but I always tell people, when you're hosting, look at the prompter only for your look to camera. Don't keep connecting with people, because eventually you're going to be on television and you're going to be talking to the viewer. It's a minor tip. Hosting tip.
Because I always get lost, because whenever I'm performing, and only my mom from my family wants to come and see my performances, and I always see her, and she, like, for some reason she's sweating or she's nervous कि अब कुछ गलत करेगा, अब गिर जाएगा, something will go wrong. So even if I'm dancing full like this.
But I have the same feeling when I watch you also. I also get very worried, because I feel that in your excitement, besides your shirt, many other garments also might come off. So that's my big fear, because when Varun performs or does anything, he has no sense of self-control. He goes mad. But that's what's great about him, because he plays to
Surrender,
the
man.
gallery.
I surrender to the music.
Yeah.
Surrender to
I
the
surrender.
You surrender to the music.
Yeah,
Considering you didn't sing it, I don't know why you're surrendering
No,
to it. But anyway.
You can dance and surrender as well.
And the last question which I want to ask you, Karan, especially, is that, are you going to be dancing at IFA 2017? I mean, because we've seen you dancing, especially on the Colors channel.
At some point,
with-
man.
Yeah,
for sure.
because he's
I don't know how
really
public
good.
it'll be, but he will dance. Yeah.
No.
Will you shake a leg? I mean, you
No,
are
is
really
that in
good.
my
yeah,
contract?
Andre,
Yeah,
what
I'm
do
supposed to dance?
you feel? Yeah.
Oh, we're both going to dance. Okay. I didn't think we were paid enough then. No one told us that we were going to dance. No, I don't think, I don't know. No, it's not at all. No such thing. No, I will not be dancing. quite.
But he'd be happy to. You know he'd be
Yes,
happy.
of course.
I know he is going to. I know.
Yeah.
I just thought he'll tell us which song, but okay, that's a surprise.
No.
That's a surprise for later.
Thank you. But we have questions to ask you, Varun, as well.
I thought it was only me asking all guys.
No, we
It
have
was the other
questions to
way.
ask you. So you have like so many amazing beauties performing this time in IFA. We have Katrina and you have Alia. Who's your preferred movie star between them?
Between both of them.
Katrina and Alia?
I mean, they both are like different looking.
Most people are different looking. We're different from each other as well.
I like both. I mean, I like both.
You
can
like both?
Great. That's what you should say.
Yeah, I like both.
You like both?
I like both. They both
All right.
are very nice human beings.
Yeah.
They're nice people.
Oh, and that's what you look for in a their
dance
quality of humanity.
No, like in a dancer.
In a dance.
I mean, you
But
want
they're
the-
not dancers. They're
Your
movie
personality
stars. They're
shows,
actors.
Yeah, yeah. You
Yeah.
want, like, I feel if there's goodness within it, comes out in the
comes out,
performance.
yeah.
Even if you're like doing like the Chikni Chameli step. I mean, the
Yeah.
goodness always comes through.
Especially in the Chikni.
Especially in a song like that. Definitely.
Okay. All right. This is your first time in IFA.
Already feeling like I'm getting ragged now on stage. I'm feeling.
No,
No, I love you too much to rag you, but this is your